This is going to help somebody out there working on a Jeep getting off a multi-air injection on a 1.3 liter turbo engine. If you're anything like me, you've been sitting there trying to find tons of videos on the multi-air injection on a 1.3 liter turbo engine. So I'm going to show you how to set this tool up to take off that multi-air injection on the 1.3. We're pretty much changing the head gasket on this. Okay, so one of the things the tool will come with is this little piece here that you're supposed to be able to bolt it down. And this is not applicable on the 1.3. So for the 1.3, you're also going to use these that have that cutout slot on the left side. And we're going to set it up just like this. All right. Now, what you got to make sure that you do is you're going to use your small Allen key. You're going to tighten these down. You're only going to tighten them down after you've already got them butt up to your valves. So you can see it's on the valve all the way across the board. Now what you're going to use to tighten the front ends of those is going to be the L wrench. But I've noticed this particular tool from Amazon is 150. It actually automatically butts up to the back of the multi-air injection. And it's sitting on there really snug with nothing else holding it back there. So from this point, I will continue to tighten these down, which is you're going to be rotating it actually to the left. And you'll see your springs start to compress. And we're just going to do that evenly across the board, getting those springs to compress for us. You'll see the springs go in as you're rotating them to the left. Once it seems like they bottom out, that should be good. T45, and we're going to go ahead and loosen up that multi-air injection.